Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today, we are doing an automatic knife video of my automatic knives, except one Boker that I believe is most likely with Madistraction. But we have here on this Hank, which I got in my trade video, my trade box. Some of them were sharpened, right died, and traded and bought one item, which was this. But it's a Hank, a Star Wars Hank from Mike's Hanks. And what I was told is Mike's Hanks does not make any more Hanks. So that's what we got here. Let's start with the Lone Kershaw automatic, which is the Launch 13, USA made, in-house design. It reminds me of the Alien vs. Predator style. Otto Kershaw was written on the blade. Kershaw's on the pocket clip. In-house design logo right there. It is USA and CPM 154 blade steel. Aluminum scales, which make it a little slick, but Wharncliffe blade. You can hold it like this or like this. That's how it is. The Kershaw Launch 13 in CPM 154 blade steel, USA made, and Wharncliffe blade. Then we have the Boker Mini Dagger Desert Warrior in AUS 8. I have a new spring in this. The guy that did the trades, the right side, and the sharpening, he also put a new spring in this and cleaned it out, which was really nice because it was weak when I got it. AUS 8. Clip. You can hold it like this, or like this, or like this. Boker Mini Dagger, Boker Kalashnikov Mini Dagger Desert Warrior. The clip on this one is really good. Then we have the Boker Kalashnikov Bowie Desert Warrior. Sorry, it's the Boker Kalashnikov Automatic Desert Warrior. That came like that, so it's very good spring. AUS 8 blade also. side, put it in here. Then we have this is the Boker Kalashnikov Osate Cleaver. Osate. Or like this, or like this, or like this. And this is the Boker Kalashnikov Cleaver automatic knife. And Osate. And last, but certainly not least, is the Boker Kalashnikov XXL Desert Warrior Blue Osate blade paint job, which is the donut with donut frosting with sprinkles. Blue clip, green screws, blue here too, yellow pivot, screw, and purple fire button. You can hold it like this, you can hold it like this. Osate. The Boker Kalashnikov XXL Desert Warrior Automatic. We're going to do cut tests with each of these automatics to show you how it is and for you to know. So I'll be right back when I get the item to cut. MKW includes these ads, so let's go with the Kershaw Launch 13. Stab cut. Kershaw Launch 13. Boker Kalashnikov Mini Dagger Desert Warrior. Okay. Cuts. Boker Kalashnikov Mini Dagger Desert Warrior. Now the Boker Kalashnikov Desert Warrior Bowie. cuts. Now let's do a cuts. The Boker, Kalashnikov, Bowie, Desert Warrior. That's a lot to say at once. Then the Boker, Kalashnikov, Cleaver. No stab cut right here. It cuts. The Boker, Kalashnikov, Cleaver, automatic. And last but certainly not least, the Boker XXL Desert Warrior. Okay, then stab cut. The Boker XXL. The Boker Kalashnikov XXL Desert. Repeat that. The Boker Kalashnikov XXL Desert Warrior. Cuts too. So you see all these automatic knives? Pick your fancy, pick your liking, pick what's good for you. Cheap ones, expensive one. Over $100 brand new. Under $100, all of them, each brand new. Let me know what you think of these automatic knives in the comment section below. And if you have any, let me know in the comment section below how it is or a bit of response. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day, be safe. Enjoy your hobby with the fun and coolness. And as always, remember to use those sharp blades. Bye.